Thanks for taking a minute to check out the time study we did recently to compare a 50-foot French drain installation using our EZDrain gravel-free French drain product versus a traditional gravel French drain. Off to my left here, you can see the two drainage solutions next to each other. The video is going to show product delivery, installation, and cleanup after the trench has already been dug. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to dig a 50-foot trench. For the time study, we assumed that both 50-foot trenches took the same amount of time. Next, the gravel had to be ordered and delivered via truck and dumped in front of your home. The EZDrain product, on the other hand, was picked up at the local home center store and did not require delivery. One thing to note for planning purposes is that 1 cubic yard of gravel equals the same as 30 feet of EZDrain in a 12-inch by 12-inch trench. Now that the trenches have been dug, EZDrain is installed in our first trench and fabric is being laid out and pinned in the second trench as the first step of a gravel French drain system. You can see the EZDrain product is lightweight and easy to transport to the trench. Gravel, on the other hand, needs to be shoveled into the wheelbarrow and then delivered to the trench. Not only does this take a long time, it's a lot of work. Gravel also leaves a trail around the trench that needs to be cleaned up afterward to prevent catching and damaging your lawnmower. At the 7-minute mark, you can see that EZDrain has already been assembled and put into the trench. You are ready to backfill soil and add the sod. The gravel installation is still being worked on, as the filter fabric needed to be laid out and pinned to the sides of the trench, then gravel loaded into the trench, followed by installation of the corrugated pipe, and then covered with more gravel before finally backfilling with soil and topping with sod. So there you have it. Once the trench was dug, EZDrain was installed in 30 minutes, including backfilling the soil and replacing the sod. The traditional French drain, on the other hand, took 1 hour and 9 minutes. That means EZDrain can cut your installation time in half. Which would you rather do? For more than 30 years, NDS has been a leader in stormwater management solutions for the residential and non-residential market. For more information on our other stormwater drainage solutions and special offers, go to ndspro.com.